And then lastly, what I like to do is look for any, reformatting of the information that's needed. So if for some reason the dates weren't formatted correctly, or in this case, this amount is the dollar amount, and I want to see it as actual dollar amounts and not just dollars. So what I can do, so I'm clicking on home because that's where I'm going to get the dollar formatting. I can click on these columns. So I'm going to click to highlight this whole amount column, and then I'm going to do this dollars over here. And so in this case, I don't have any cents. And so what I like to do is then I can get rid of the zeros, and I always forget which one is which. So I end up clicking one and then the other. But you can either add if you want to see more decimal places, or you delete that. And then I'm just going to smush that back up again because as I was changing that, it got bigger.